All right, so proof of that particle, I kind of got started on it because it's a long process, but I want to show you this really cool trick here. This is the proof of it, and I don't know when you're going to be asked to do it except in college calculus, where everything is in the proof. We have to agree that ddx of f of x g of x is equal to the limit as f of x plus change of x times g of x plus change of x minus f of x g of x over change of x as the limit as change of x approaches 0. That's just definition stuff. But what I want to show you is this. In calculus, you end up doing really cool stuff. And here, if you look really carefully, take a second, stop the video, and take a look at this. I'm adding nothing. It's this. If this was 5, this is 5 minus 5. It's nothing in blue here. So I'm adding nothing, but I'm going to put it all over change of x. And look what happens. We can start to factor stuff out here, and that's what we're going to do. I'm going to rearrange the pieces a little bit. But I'm going to get the limit as the change of x approaches 0 of f of x plus change of x times g of x plus change of x minus g of x. I'm factoring out that g of x out there. Hopefully you can see that. Over change of x, right? Plus the limit. All I'm doing is just extending this limit and just partitioning this thing out a little bit here of g of x times f of x plus change of x minus f of x over change in x. And if you look at this carefully, this is nothing. This looks like so much hell, and professors, man, I love to hear them talk about it. It's nothing. All we're doing is solving this by definition. This, by definition, is g prime at x, isn't it? And this, by definition, because there's no reason this limit can't go to 0 here, is f of x. So f of x times g prime at x, whoops, plus g of x times f prime at x is the derivative. And that's the whole story here. So if this was confusing or a pain in the neck for you, I apologize. But I just wanted to show you this proof quickly because I really appreciate the proof here. I mean, I really appreciate the screwing around with the algebra here. So that's all this was. And I want you to kind of keep that in mind that sometimes when you just mess with the algebra, things get good. So keep an open mind. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And your comments are always welcome. Thanks. And there's tons of you out there. And you know who you are. I want to say Bama7623, etc. I know you guys are watching. I appreciate it. And I really appreciate the support. Keep it up. Spread the word, man.